The founder of Khaksar Tehreek, the person named Allama Anayatullah Mashriqi. First head of state who visited Pakistan after the independence, Raza Shah Pahlavi, the Shah of Iran. At the time of independence 1947, which was the biggest city of Pakistan by population wise, Dhaka. Next one, trillion stands for 1000 billion. Who was the first female Prime Minister? Simirabo Bandar Naik of Sri Lanka. Majlis is the parliament of Iran. Abdullah Hussain is a famous Urdu novelist. In which year Pakistan won the T20 Cricket World Cup? 2009. Heathrow International Airport is in London. Before the First World War, which country used to be called as sick man of Europe? Turkey. Which of the following item is a source of protein? The meat. Alexander invaded India in 326 BC. The Pakistan poet who was awarded Lenin Prize, Faiz Ahmed Faiz. Capital of Morocco is Rabat. Davis Cup is associated with lawn tennis. Shakira is a famous singer. Americans have planned to have Afghanistan in 1914. Think and Grow Rich written by Napoleon Hill. The headquarters of International Court of Justice is at The Hague. Which of the following is the human rights organization among Arab League, Organization of African Unity and Gulf Cooperation Council and Amnesty International? The Amnesty International is a human rights organization. Captain Cook was a famous Australian navigator. Pakistan People's Republic of China was founded in 1949. A movie on Qaid-e-Azam's life titled as Jinnah, that is produced by Akbar S. Ahmed. KGB is the intelligence agency of Russia. Bala Hizar Fort is situated in which city? Peshawar. Homer was a great poet of ancient Greece, who caused the communist revolution of Russia in 1917 by Lenin. Paramveer Chakra, highest military award of India. Formosa, old name of Taiwan. Currency of Australia is dollar. Accra is the capital of Ghana. Law of gravitation discovered by Isaac Newton. Meteorology is the science of weather. Pakistan's largest industry, cotton textile. After the assassination of Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, who became the Prime Minister of India? Morarji Desai. Nelson Mandela received the Nobel Peace Prize in 1993 together with another South African leader. What was his name? Frederick de Klerk. When did Pakistan leave the Commonwealth for the first time before rejoining it in 1989? In 1972. Which is the second largest planet in our solar system? Saturn. When did the Organization of Islamic Conference change its name to Organization of Islamic Cooperation? In 27 December 2010. Next one, the permanent secretariat of ASEAN is located in Jakarta in Indonesia. The Battle of Waterloo saw the defeat of Napoleon Bonaparte. In which country is this battlefield located? It's in Belgium. Which famous actor played the role of Dr. Zhavigo in the movie by the same name, Umar Sharif? The famous book Gulliver Travel was written by Jonathan Swift. Next one, before the reunification of Germany, what was the capital of West Germany? Is capital name Bonn. Cape of Good Hope is located in which country? South Africa. To which island was Napoleon exiled to in 1815, where he eventually died? Saint Helena. Power tends to corrupt and absolute power corrupts absolutely. These words are associated with which personality? Lord Acton. Next one, who said, from each according to his abilities, to each according to his needs? This line is said by Karl Marx. Ornithology is the study of birds. Which disease is caused by iodine deficiency? Goiter is caused by iodine deficiency. Next one is that MRI is commonly used diagnostic tool in hospital. What does MRI mean? It's mean magnetic resonance investigation. Polio caused by virus. Sun is a star. Which one of the following is not a mammal among shale, dolphin and seal and shark? Shark is not a mammal. Longest bone in the human body is sacrum. Which one is the following is the purest form of gold? 24 carats is the purest form of gold. Which of the following is the largest organ of the human body? Skin is the largest organ. One of the following disease is caused by drinking of contaminated water? Cholera. Son of Mughal Emperor Zahiruddin Babur, Emperor Humayun lost his throne to Sher Shah Suri. After the 1857 War of Independence, The Mughal king of Delhi, Bahadur Shah, was deported by the British to Rangoon. Next one, after Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, who became the secretary of Mao College Management, Hakim Ajmal Khan, who founded the Arya Samaj in 1885 in India, Dayanda Saraswati. Next one, Syed Ahmad Shaheed along with Ismail were martyred in the battle with the Sikhs at Balakot. Who made the official announcement of the annulment of the partition of Bengal in 1811? Lord Hastings. In which pact did the leader of Congress and the Muslim League agree on constitutional reforms in India, including separate electorate for Muslims? This is in Lucknow Pact. In 1827, the British Parliament appointed a commission to report on the working of diarchy in Indian province. Who was the head of this commission? Sir John Simon is the head of this commission. In August 1932, which British Prime Minister announced the famous communal award granting separate electorate to depressed classes in India? That is by Ramsay MacDonald. The Prime Minister of Great Britannia when Pakistan gained independence, Clement Attlee. Next one, who played the vital role in the founding of APWA? APWA means All Pakistan Women Association. This is by Begum Rana Liaquat Ali Khan. In India Independence Act 1947 was mainly based on the recommendation made by the Kabina Mission. After assassination of Liaquat Ali Khan, who became the second Prime Minister? Ghulam Muhammad. After removal of Nawaz Sharif government in 1999, Pervez Musharraf took office of Chief Executive. Next one, in which surah of Holy Quran essential of wuzu given? This is in Surah Nisa. Who signed the treaty of Hudaybiyah on behalf of Quraysh? This is by Sohail bin Ammar. Who was the first among the Muslims to conquer northern Africa? He also established the city of Tunisia. That is by Uqba bin Nafi. How many furlongs make 1 mile? There are 8 furlongs make 1 mile. Abbottabad Lake in Gilgit-Baltistan was formed due to massive landslide which blocked river of Hanza for almost 6 months. Who was Pakistan's first civilian chief martial law administrator? This is Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. Who was the first post-independence chief minister of Pakistan? Iftikhar Hussain Khan Mandot. Who succeeded Sir Francis Modi as the Punjab governor? Sardar Abdul Rab Nashtar. Hyde Park in London is renowned for liberty of speech. Union Jack is the flag of which country? England. The sequence of American President Abraham Lincoln stand at 16th number. King Abdullah bin Hussein is the ruler of Saudi Arabia. In terms of population, which is the biggest continent, the Asia contains 58.6% all over the world population. Last FIFA World Cup is in Germany. General Abdul Fattah al-Sisi is the military chief of Egypt who led the recent COP. How many articles are essential to believe in for Muslim? There are 5 articles. Ushur means 1 of 10th. Minimum Ushur-worthy production in case of well-irrigated land is 10 mounds. Zabur was revealed upon Hazrat Dawood. Next one, which is the longest surah? Surah Baqarah. Holy Quran was first translated in Latin. How many years of his life the Holy Prophet ﷺ spent in Makkah? 53 years. Fiqh means Islamic jurisprudence. Infaq means spending wealth for the cause of Allah. Highest hadith narrated by Hazrat Abu Huraira. Last month of Islamic calendar is Zilhajj. Battle of Badr was fought in 624 Iswi. Al-Razi was a great physician. The last Umayyad Khalifa was Marwan II. The constitution reforms introduced in British India in the year 1909 was generally referred as Minto-Morley reforms. How many roundtable conference was held in London? 3. Mr. Jinnah presented his 14 points in Delhi. Since independence, the first object of Pakistan foreign policy has been close relation with the United States. The first pact which Pakistan signed with the America was CETO. Second 5-year plan was implemented during 1955 to 1960. In 1960, the Treaty of Indus Water Treaty is take place. The book title From Jinnah to Zia was written by Justice Munir Ahmed. Russia withdraw from Afghanistan under the Geneva Accord. Animosity is the most opposite to love. Famous character David Copperfield was the creation of Charles Dickens. Which word is wrongly spelled? That is inhabitant. To point the finger of scorn to sometime is to treat him with the disdain. Charles Dickens' novel The Tale of Two Cities has been written in the background of French Revolution. To carry the day, its mean to win a victory. Who is proletarian? A member of lowest class of community is called proletarian. To be green-eyed, its mean to be jealous. The antonym of clear is to be indistinct. दर्जा झैल में से ज़रबुल मिसल तलाश करें, नाश न जाने आंगन टेढ़ा एक ज़रबुल मिसल है। उर्दू का पहला साहब दीवान शायर कौन था? कुली कुतुब शाह। दर्जा झैल में से कौन सा मजमूआ कलाम अहमद फराज का नहीं है? मेरे दिल मेरे मुसाफिर। मशहूर जासूसी नावल निगार इब्न सफ़ी का असल नाम इसरार अहमद था। अल्लामा इकबाल की शोहराए आफाक नज़्म शिकवा और जवाब शिकवा उनके बांगे दरा मजमुए कलाम में है। उर्दू की पहली नस्री किताब सबरस कहलाती है। उर्दू का मशहूर अफसाना तोबा टेक सिंह सादत हसन मंटू ने लिखा। उर्दू जुबान में कुरान पाक के पहले मुतरजम शाह अब्दुल कादिर थे। उर्दू शायरी का कीट्स किसे कहा जाता है? अख्तर शेरानी को। तहजीबुल अहलाक सर सैयद अहमद खान ने लिखा।